What is going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWit Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. I wanted to talk about some of the stocks that I'm going to be paying attention to for the next couple of days. Quick little recap on the overall day. Surprisingly, I didn't just day trade TQs and SQs, right? I actually didn't trade SQs at all today. I day traded PTON. PTON is actually one of the stocks that I'm going to be talking about today. In no way are any of the stocks that I talk about today any stock suggestion. I really hope that I'm just going to first talk about why they meet my criteria, what I look for in a stock, and if you agree on some of those criterias, maybe you can cherry pick it. One of the great things that you can do if you're part of different Facebook groups or communities or, again, trading platforms is talk amongst one another, right? The really cool thing about that is that you can share ideas, and it's not that every idea or every stock is the best, right? But it allows you to become aware or exposed to certain stocks that you might have not been aware of that were available, right? So I really hope that this video just gets you one step closer to your overall goal. And if it does, I hope that we earned your thumbs up and that you guys can consider joining our free Facebook group, which is the first link down below. So again, $1,149 profit today. And let's get right to it. The market's been selling off. So this is something that we, need to take into consideration, and as well as it's what has been pulling back quite a bit of stocks. A lot of the stocks that I'm talking about today are not just tech-focused stocks, as again, overall market has been pulling back. So you most likely have seen stocks like Tesla, Facebook, all of that pull back just a little bit. But because it's been pulling back for the past 2 weeks, one of the top stocks that I wanted to talk about today is PTON. This isn't something that has been aggressively pulling back, but there is a pullback that makes it somewhat attractive. And before I talk about this, I look for three things. And please, whatever your criteria is, comment that down below. I think it's very useful to share, not just what stocks you see value in, but why. Three things. I like to focus on stocks that have an overall uptrend pattern. It's much easier. It's not easy, but it's much easier to make money when the overall direction is in your favor. An example can be when something is consistently selling off. It's not impossible, but it's just much more difficult to make money when the overall direction is against you. The overall direction is with you, right? So it's easier to be able to buy something and sell it for a profit because we have the direction making higher highs and higher lows. I like the little pullback that we experience. And the second thing is it offers a very consistent pattern. Because it's so consistently uptrending, there are times that it pulls back, which present a good deal opportunity where you can buy in for, again, a little bit more of a discount and be able to ride the recovery if we get confirmation of that recovery. This has done a really good job holding above the SMA line. Is there still downside potential? Of course. Well, based off of previous patterns and based off of when it sells off, it can test the SMA line. So we need to wait for proper confirmation for the break above the EMA line, just in case we don't sell all the way off to the SMA line and actually begin to make higher highs. With that being said, Peloton has been absolutely killing it for the past 180 days, and it's something that's been showing very consistent growth. It doesn't offer like ridiculous percentage return, but a nice little 10% based off of where we were just a couple days ago is something that I find personally attractive. It's consistent, has a overall bullish direction, and then the last thing is it's a good deal. I like to focus on not just bullish stocks, but I like little pullbacks where I can buy the reversals, buy the good deals, and then sell it for a profit as we ride that overall consistent uptrend direction. I hope that makes sense. So that's the first one that I wanted to talk about. The next one, again, they should all be meeting the same criteria in my eyes. PLUG. So plug power, very consistent uptrend. It's a very similar setup, right? I look for stocks that look very similar in the idea that are bullish, have recently pulled back. So again, testing SMA line based off of recent patterns. Now we're waiting for proper confirmation. This one has a little bit more to offer in the percentage return. It's not anything too much more, right? But 24%, so even if you capture 10% of that, as there's no such thing as a perfect trade, it's something that's been consistently bullish. The margin or the profit margin potential is there. The patterns are there. Now we just need to wait for confirmation. Patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. So again, don't be surprised if we break below the SMA line and we sell off. It's better to be prepared than to be surprised, right? The next one that I want to talk about, we've talked about this one before, is DraftKings. This is DKNG. This one offers not as of a consistent pattern than the rest, right? but this one's a little bit more of like a, I would say, high risk, high reward type of approach. Based off of where we're at right now, it just broke above the EMA line, which means nothing in the idea if we don't make higher highs. This one, based off of previous highs, offers nearly a 50% return. So again, higher risk, higher reward. It's not as consistent, but when it gets going and it begins to trade above the EMA line, it really aggressively makes these higher highs and higher lows, which is very attractive to see. I wanted to talk about this one as the other two were a little bit more on the conservative side and not as aggressive. This is for a little bit more of our aggressive traders. Again, confirmation is still key. We need to still keep it pretty basic and pretty simple. And we are also now trading below the SMA line. So just make sure that you take that into consideration. And the next one that I want to talk about is FSLY. So aggressive drop, right? And it's been selling off as earnings. So another reason on why I'm still not in it as of right now, right? It offers or presented a really big reversal opportunity based off of previous highs. So now we wait for the earnings to come out as that can act as a negative catalyst. It definitely does have, based off of where we're at right now, to based off of previous highs, again, a higher risk, high reward type of approach. It's been consistent before, but we have been experiencing a lot of consolidation. And the reason I'm talking about it right now is we are approaching a very common support level that it has had before. We are also trading now below the SMA line, so that acts as like a negative influence in my perspective. But I thought I would talk about it. Let's set our alerts. Let's follow up with it when the direction is in our favor. It's making higher highs, higher lows. Again, it offers a really 50 to 60% potential. If you capture 5 or 10% of that, never be afraid to lock in profits. So, but confirmation is key. And the last one that I want to talk about is, again, a little bit more on the consistent side, is BE. So this is Bloom Energy Corporation. And again, the thing that I find very attractive about this specific stock is how consistent it is, how it has so recently sold off, so it presents a better deal. Watch out for earnings, right? And it tends to bounce right around the SMA line, right around the SMA line, right around the SMA line, the SMA line. So now that we sold off, again, profit potential, not bad, a little bit over 30%. It has been very consistent before around this general support range, but patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. This is why we have to set our alerts and wait for proper confirmation of higher highs and higher lows above the EMA line. Just again, it's so much easier. It's not easy, but it's so much easier when we get proper confirmation and the overall direction is in our favor. So wanted to talk about a couple of the stocks that I recently added to my watch list. It's all thanks to you guys and our groups and being able to share stocks that we see value in. So if you're struggling to find top stocks or just to find stocks in general, if you're brand new, we have an absolute free group. It's our TechWhat Solutions group, and it's the first link down below. We have a little bit over 292,000 members, making us the largest free Facebook group for those who trade in the stock market. And again, that is one click away with the first link down below. If you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the second link, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group. We'd love to have you tune on into my live trading session tomorrow at market open, but only when you feel ready. And again, click that second link down below to learn more about it. Until next time, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success, be selective, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.